Hello everyone. For today's video, we are going to solve for the value of x in this algebraic equation. 3 times the quantity x minus 10 is equal to 15. Now there are two different ways on how to solve for the value of x of this equation. Usually, we do it like this in a difficult way. So we write 3 times the quantity x minus 10 is equal to 15. So the usual process is to multiply 3 by the terms inside the parentheses, 3 times x and 3 times negative 10. So we have 3 times x, we have 3x, and 3 times 10 is 30, is equal to 15. Now, since we cannot subtract 3x and 30 because they are dissimilar terms, may variable siya dito wala. So we have to transpose this to the right side of the equality sign. It's called transposition, or you can make use of addition property of equality. So if we're going to follow the transposition method, you just have to bring down 3x and bring down 15, transpose negative 30 to the right side of the equality sign. So from negative 30, it will become positive 30. So bring down 3x, add 15 and 30, that is 45. Divide both sides by 3, cancel. So x is 15. So this is the final answer. The value of x is 15. Now let's try the easy one, the easy way to get this answer. So if we have 3 times the quantity x minus 10 equals 15. The easiest way to get the value of x, you just have to divide it by 3. By 3. And then cancel this one. So what remains is x minus 10. And divide 15 by 3. That is 5. And then transpose negative 10 to the right side of the equality sign. So what remains is x equal to 5. From negative transpose to the right side of the equality sign, it will become positive 10. So the value of x is 15. Easy, right? Thank you for watching.